Hi, my VIP. I'm Coach Cooper, your life coach. Today we are going to talk about why is men often blamed in a relationship. Number one, social expectations. Society often put pressure on men to hold their family together. So much things go through their sin and having fear. Number two, emotional expression. Women often express their pain more openly with natural drawing, more sympathy. Number three, silence from men. Men stay silent about what they went through, so their side of the story is not here. But relationship involve two people, two hearts, and share responsibility. Both partners must be honest with themselves and take ownership of their part. Now, I'm going to give you the tips to avoid separation and build a strong relationship. The first thing to do, if you want to build a strong relationship with your partner, open and honest communication. Some people are not honest in their relationship. Some of them lies, they are not truthful, they like secrecy. You don't know they are deep in, but you need honest communication. Talk regularly, even about the harder things. Unspoken issue growth into bigger problem. When you keep things, it's gonna be bigger soon or later. It's better when you realize that something is not working, call your partner and sit together and reflect on it and talk. If there is a misunderstanding, communicate and talk about it. Don't keep it. Don't sleep with it. Talk. Number two, take responsibility. Both partners need to admit their mistakes and not just blame the other. That emotional maturity. Number three, avoid constant comparison and criticism. They destroy trust. It destroys the trust. Instead, affirm what good is your partner. Don't criticize your partner. Avoid constant comparison. Sometimes you have some partner who like to compare their own partner to another partner or another couple life. You don't do that. Or stop criticizing others out there. That why sometimes when your partner doing something good or wrong, talk to the partner. Open your heart. That why you are together. Don't be ashamed to communicate, to tell the truth. I know certain people don't like the truth. They don't like when they tell them certain things. But that is couple life. When you are in couple life, you need to be open and honest. Avoid constant comparison. I'm still stay on it because some men are comparing people out there with their wife. And they started criticizing them outside. Your relationship have to be the two of you, not a third party. Number four, be a team, not opponent. Be friend with your partner. Joke. Talk about things, the past. Something will bring joy in your life, in your home. Make your partner happy. It's not your vice versa, or something bad in the relationship, it's not time to problem. It's time to be happy. Number 5, forgive and repair. Love won't last without forgiveness. Apologize sincerely and show change through action. Sometimes some people say they are changed. They ask for forgiveness. Just give them 2 days. The same thing will come all over again. It takes time to change and to forgive yourself. Number 6, work on yourself. A relationship can be harder than the people in the personal growth is the key. After doing all this, if you see that nothing has changed, don't generalize relationship. Each relationship are different, are unique. Each story are unique. And learn for it. You can grow, respect the other person's vision, even if you don't agree. Okay, my VIP, I hope this learning today will help you to grow and to build strong relationship. You need more. You need a tip to transform in a relationship to make your home to be strong again. Send me an email or inbox. I'm going to give you a tool to help you grow. How to keep your home strong. It's not just for women, it's for men too. Men who are silent when they are going through tough time, this message is for you. Don't be ashamed. Don't be silent. Speak up. And look for a coach to help you rebuild yourself again, to love again, to have confidence in yourself. I'm Coach Cooper, your life coach. See you soon and be blessed.